these kind of random buttons. You just mess around with it.
You're on. Way out, way out. Hold up high too.
My name is Judah and this is J&J Auto Wrecking, and this is a test video MTCA127.
1996 Cadillac.
And it's a 1996 Cadillac
Fleetwood.
Fleetwood.
Flip it around now.
The best of the B-bodies.
It's got 102,000 miles on her.
Here's the inside of the car. Here's the horn.
You want me to fire it up for you so you can talk about that Corvette-inspired motor?
Yeah.
All right. It's got 102,000 miles on it.
It has 102,000 miles on it, and has trip 805.3.
The trip meter.
And the trip meter.
5.7 liter LT1.
This is a 5.7
liter.
A 5.7 liter
LT1.
LT1.
We're selling it as a swap because it came from a Corvette. It's still on.
We have this nice handle right here that you can put stuff in. You have all these kinds of buttons. You have this nice old 90s handle, and then
Do the buttons work, Judah?
You gotta test the buttons.
let's see if the buttons work.
Those are the seats. Well, yep, we got a rear window.
Let's see if the buttons work. No.
Yeah, right here. So look.
Oh. And this is the tune, the volume. There's all these kind of random buttons. You just mess around with it. That's done with that. Here's the back. Here's the siding. Here's the wheels. MTCA127. That's what you need to get if your car's not running. Here's the front hood. Here's the bumper. Here's the football. That's where you put the license plate. That's a little bit rusty, but they can work on it. They have all kinds of, they probably took something off there. Here's the lock button.
Rev it up, Judah.
Here, oh, I can? Okay. And I'll rev it up.
How's it sound?
Good.
Sounds good from here.
And that's the end of the test video. Bye.